Samsung may still be the king of foldable phones globally, but the competition is heating up fast. Chinese brands are launching foldables with better specs, slimmer designs, and more wallet-friendly prices. But don't count Samsung out just yet. They're not backing down without a fight. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are set to get some seriously cool hardware upgrades, including bigger screens. According to display expert Ross Young, both phones are getting a nice boost in size. The Z Fold 7 will feature a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8-inch foldable display, pretty similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Meanwhile, the Z Flip 7 will get a 6.85-inch foldable screen and a 4-inch cover screen, a solid upgrade from the Z Flip 6's 6.7-inch foldable and 3.4-inch cover screen. With these larger screens, Samsung's foldables could have more room for bigger batteries, making them more powerful and longer lasting. But the best part, the bigger cover screens mean that using your phone will feel a lot more like a regular, non-folding smartphone. The Z Flip 7's 4-inch cover screen, in particular, will give you more space to run apps without opening the phone, though it's still unclear if Samsung will let you use full apps on the cover or stick to just widgets. Either way, these upgrades should make the phones more enjoyable to use overall. On top of that, the foldables will likely pack the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, offering a massive performance boost compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in current foldables. This combo of bigger screens, bigger batteries, and a more powerful chip could be exactly what Samsung needs to stay ahead in the foldable game. Now, while this leak isn't totally groundbreaking, it's still a big deal, especially considering Samsung's recent struggles with the foldable. According to a report, they didn't perform as well as expected in Q3 of 2024, with panel shipments dropping 10% compared to last year. It also didn't grab much attention in the US or China. But it's not just Samsung facing this challenge. Huawei's also cutting back on foldable orders. It looks like 2025 might be a slow year for the foldable market overall. Still, there's not much info yet on what else to expect from the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. As usual, these phones will likely drop next summer, and more leaks will probably pop up soon. If this leak is accurate, though, it sounds like next year's foldables are shaping up to be a solid upgrade. I'm definitely excited about the possibility of more screen space, bring on those bigger displays. Can't wait to see what's next. So, what do you think? Are you excited for Samsung's bigger foldable screens? Drop a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.